Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 28. Chapter 51. Talking about your favorite type of food. I absolutely love pizza. It's my all-time favorite food. Mexican cuisine is my go-to. I can't resist the flavors of tacos and burritos. Kimbap is my ultimate indulgence. I could eat it every day. Italian pasta dishes are a weakness of mine, especially creamy fettuccine alfredo. Nothing beats a juicy burger with all the toppings. It's pure comfort food for me. I have a soft spot for Thai food. The combination of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors is amazing. Indian curry dishes are my favorite. The aromatic spices and rich flavors are unbeatable. I can't get enough of Mediterranean cuisine, from hummus and falafel to fresh Greek salads. Chinese stir-fry dishes are always a hit for me. I love the mix of crunchy vegetables and savory sauces. Ramen is my ultimate comfort food, especially on a chilly day. I'm a sucker for a good plate of barbecue ribs. The smoky and tender meat is irresistible. I love exploring different types of street food, from Mexican street tacos to Indian chaat. Seafood is my favorite, especially a plate of fresh and buttery grilled salmon. Vietnamese pho is a comforting and flavorful dish that I can't get enough of. I'm a big fan of Greek cuisine, especially dishes like moussaka and spanakopita. I enjoy the tangy and spicy flavors of Korean kimchi and bulgogi. A warm and gooey chocolate lava cake is my weakness when it comes to desserts. I can't resist a good plate of crispy fried chicken. It's the ultimate comfort food. Middle Eastern falafel wraps with tahini sauce are a delicious and satisfying meal for me. I have a sweet tooth, and ice cream is my favorite treat, especially when it's loaded with toppings. I enjoy a good bowl of creamy and flavorful risotto. It's a comforting and indulgent dish. Vietnamese spring rolls are a refreshing and healthy option that I always enjoy. Mediterranean-style grilled vegetables with feta cheese are a flavorful and light side dish. I love exploring different types of cheese, from creamy brie to tangy blue cheese. A plate of fresh and tangy ceviche is a perfect appetizer for me, especially in the summer. I can't resist a warm and flaky croissant, especially when paired with a cup of coffee. Indian samosas with their crispy pastry and flavorful fillings are a favorite snack of mine. A bowl of creamy and comforting macaroni and cheese is the ultimate comfort food for me. I enjoy a good bowl of spicy and flavorful chili, especially on a chilly day. A slice of rich and decadent chocolate cake is my idea of dessert heaven. I'm a fan of Mediterranean-style grilled kebabs, especially when paired with tzatziki sauce. I love the fresh and vibrant flavors of Vietnamese salads, like the famous papaya salad. A plate of authentic Mexican guacamole and tortilla chips is a classic and delicious choice. Thai mango sticky rice is a sweet and fragrant dessert that I can't resist. I enjoy the bold and spicy flavors of Cajun cuisine, like jambalaya and gumbo. A plate of warm and cheesy garlic bread is a simple yet satisfying snack for me. I can't resist a good plate of crispy and flavorful fried calamari, especially when served with a zesty dipping sauce. I have a weakness for indulgent desserts, and one of my favorites is a rich and creamy cheesecake. Mediterranean-style hummus with warm pita bread is a flavorful and satisfying appetizer for me. Korean twigum with its crispy batter and tender vegetables or seafood is a delicious treat. A plate of traditional Spanish paella with its fragrant saffron rice and variety of seafood is a culinary delight. I enjoy the comforting and hearty flavors of a traditional English roast dinner with all the trimmings. Fresh and tangy Greek tzatziki sauce is the perfect accompaniment to grilled meats and vegetables. A classic American-style apple pie with its buttery crust and sweet, cinnamon-spiced filling is a timeless favorite. I'm a fan of spicy food, and one of my go-to dishes is a flavorful bowl of Indian curry with naan bread. A refreshing and colorful caprese salad with juicy tomatoes, fresh basil, and creamy mozzarella is a summer favorite. I love the smoky and savory flavors of Mexican fajitas, especially when served with warm tortillas and all the toppings. A plate of traditional Italian antipasti with a selection of cured meats, cheeses, olives, and bread is a perfect appetizer. I enjoy the delicate and intricate flavors of Japanese sushi rolls, especially the combination of fresh fish and sticky rice.